What if a cuckold was like a wart?
So you're saying it's challenging.
That was the original term for it. That would kind of turn you off, right? Wouldn't it?
You got a big old ass
You
cuckold.
thought that's what it was?
A big old cuckold on my neck.
Like, why would it be named after that? A cuckold is like it's like a pleasant thing.
Sounds like a chicken.
Like
You know?
cuckold. It's some like cartoon chicken that's like
Right.
for kids.
Am
It's
I wrong or
Cuckold
am I
the
right?
Chicken.
Am I wrong?
He's like, watch me, kids.
Boogok. I'm cuckold.
I'm Cuckold the Chicken.
Cuckoo.
Do you mind if I borrow your mom?
Caw.
Your dad's gonna watch.
I'm gonna watch your parents fuck. Caw. Cuckold. Cuckoldoo.
That's it. Whole thing's over.